keep getting the fail to check for updates, reconnect message when firing up Genshin Impact on your PC, no need to worry. In this video, I'll guide you on fixing this error and getting you back into the game. So let's dive right in without any delay. Solution 1. First, clear your network configuration settings. To do this, first click on the search icon here and type in CMD. Next, right-click on Command Prompt, select Run as Administrator, and then click on Yes. Now here, type netsh winsock reset and then hit Enter. And then type in ipconfig/flushdns and hit Enter. After that, type in ipconfig/release and then hit Enter. Now type ipconfig/renew and press Enter. Next, type in netsh intip reset and then hit Enter. Don't worry, I'll leave these commands in the video description below. Lastly, restart your computer and your router. Don't skip this step. After that, check if the error is gone. Solution 2. If the launcher is still showing you this error, you can bypass it by launching the game from File Explorer. To do this, right-click on Genshin Impact from your desktop and open up File Location. Now scroll up and open up the Genshin Impact game folder. From this folder, you can double-click on genshin-impact.exe and open the game without getting the error. But doing this every time you want to play Genshin Impact can get pretty tiring. So just create a shortcut and place it on your desktop. To do this, right-click on the Genshin Impact executable and then click on Show More Options. Now this context menu will pop up. Next, click on Create Shortcut. When this pop-up shows up, just hit Yes and the Genshin Impact shortcut will be added to your home screen. Use that to start the game without going to the launcher. Solution 3. Switching to an efficient DNS server can also help with the problem. To do this, open up the command prompt again. Now type ping 1.1.1.1 and press Enter. Doing this will give you the minimum, maximum, and average ping of this DNS server. Next, type in ping 8.8.8.8 and press Enter. And this will give you the minimum, maximum, and average ping of this DNS server. After you find out which DNS server has the lowest ping, go to Settings and click on Network and Internet. Then on Ethernet. Next, click on the Edit button next to the DNS server assignment. Now select Manual from here. After that, turn off IPv4 if it's turned off. Now on the Preferred DNS box, add the DNS server with the lowest ping. Move on to Alternate DNS. Here type 1.0.0.1 if you're using 1.1.1.1 DNS server. But if you're using 8.8.8.8 as your preferred DNS server, type 8.8.4.4. Lastly, click Save. Now you should be able to launch Genshin Impact without getting this error. So that's how you troubleshoot the fail to check for updates reconnect error in Genshin Impact on your computer. Give that like button a high five if the video did the trick for you. And if you're still struggling with the issue, drop a comment and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks a million for watching.